Good morning. I will present phase 6 preparing technology negotiation. Ground conforme Janier Mauricio Ruiz, Diego Céspedes, Mauricio Rodríguez, Juan Carlos García e Ison Caita. I present definition on how to protect the intellectual property of the software. In order to project software down intellectual property protection, the intellectual property registration must be registered down the competent authority and identity in each country in the case in the Superintendence of Industry and E-Commerce where it must be registered as a notarial deposit where the computer program deposit certificate is down out providing greater protection to the software against plagiarism, copies or modification. Thank you.